sectional overhead door. It's your company's lifeline for moving materials and products. When it's not operational, neither is your business. And torsion springs are the biggest culprit. They can be unpredictable, dangerous, and often have a short life. They're expensive to maintain and negatively affect a company's bottom line in a number of ways. For decades, there hasn't been a reliable alternative until now. Until TorkRite. TorkRite's gas actuator lift system is the first system to provide safer counterbalancing of overhead doors while featuring a substantially longer cycle life. Longer, as in 250,000 cycles without fail. That's more than 10 times the average of a typical torsion spring. The cost to keep a single door with torsion springs operational could be as much as $22,000 over a 30-year period. So for an organization with 1,000 doors, this cost to maintain becomes significant. With TorkRite, the costs are a fraction of that number. TorkRite means decreased downtime, less chance of injury claims, and tremendous savings to the end user. It's no wonder the service repair industry is concerned and fighting to maintain the status quo.
Let's install a system that eliminates a way of revenue? I'm all for the customer, but then you're losing out on your end. No spring change.
Great idea, unless you make money replacing springs.
This spring system would outlast the doors, and broken springs put food on my table. So for that reason, I'm out.
To the rest of the industry, it's time to join in and embrace the change, or face being left behind.
We're one of the largest door service companies in the eastern U.S. Offering TorkRite products tells our customers that we're a solutions-based service company. Here's one that's installed in an Orange County fire station.
A closer look at this revolutionary product shows its composition of a gas spring, cable drum, and pulleys coupled together in block and tackle fashion. TorkRite stores the lift energy in its gas spring and converts it to a counter torque that precisely offsets the weight of the overhead door throughout its traveled distance. The result is optimal balance during operation, controlled travel for increased safety, a substantially longer product life, and greater ROI for the end user. Just as important is TorkRite's versatility, which allows it to be installed on new and existing doors and is easily installed around ductwork, conduit, and other obstacles. TorkRite works on manual doors as well as doors equipped with a chain hoist or operator. When it comes to safety benefits, TorkRite excels due to its controlled travel capability. Oil damping occurs within the TorkRite system, so the problems from a freewheeling door are no longer an issue. No more hard rebounding from a bumper or doors crashing to the floor. The technician's risk of injury is also virtually eliminated because TorkRite's gas spring is fully contained within the track system and easily compressed with a single tool and cordless drill. Companies with a maintenance staff can now handle their own service and spring replacement without the risk of catastrophic physical injury associated with torsion springs, resulting in substantial time and cost benefits. Now, let's talk financial impact and real numbers. TorkRite saves companies money, and the numbers only increase over time. Over a 30-year period, based on 1,000 doors that require a torsion spring replacement every 3 years, a total savings of $20 million will result. Those are real numbers. Safer counterbalancing. No instantaneous failures. Dependable with over 250,000 cycles. Improved worker safety. And exponential advantages to the bottom line. Make the right choice for your company. TorkRite.